Cebu City. Senor. Okay guys, we just arrived here at Diamond Hotel.
Hi guys! So first up dito sa Cebu, Radio 105.1.
Dean Lustre, James Reed, and Marcelo Santos III are now here at for radio station. Yes, yes, yes.
Hello everyone. Hello Cebu.
How long have you been love team? Gano'n na ba katagal kayo magka-love
1
team?
year.
Almost 1 year.
Almost 1 year. Tomorrow? On Sunday.
Yeah. Almost 1 year.
Sunday.
On
1 year na
Sunday.
sa Sunday.
Oh, anniversary ng Jadine
Yes.
ngayong Sunday. Ay, parang anniversary lang, bagjowa lang. How does it feel for you both to work with each other all the time?
It's suave.
Suave. Oof, maganon. Oof, maganon. Safe na safe. How about you, James? How does it feel to...
Yeah, we are together every day. We work together every day.
Mm-mm.
And we're friends. It works. It's pretty it's smooth. It works well.
It works well. Maganon. Parang alam, it works. Parang gel lang. It works well.
Si Nadine first time, si James pangalawa na.
Hi, this is Nadine Lustre, and you're listening to Radio 105.1, Cebu. Nice paminawan.
Hey guys, this is James Reed and you're listening to Radio 105.1 Cebu. Nice paminawan.
Were you friends before you got together as love team?
No, we only worked together once before that.
For his music video.
Oh, and then, oh my God, ang bagay-bagay pala. And then you had a movie.
So biglaan siya.
So bigla, out of the blue
Out of
talaga.
the blue.
Tapos hindi kayo sinabihan na may kissing scene.
And wala kasi siya sa script, as in wala.
Oo.
Tapos nagulat na lang kami, nagbo-blank na kami. Rehearse na kami yan. Okay, sabi ng direct, okay, hug. Tapos hiwalay. Tapos kiss. Alam mo yung, sabay pa kaming tumingin na lang. Sabi na, may problema? Sabi niya, gawin niya yan. Sabi niya.
Wow.
So parang okay.
Yun yung pinakamagandang moment ng movie na yon. Kasi din kayo na surprise, hindi yung mga fans niyo pati din kayo nahirapan ako magtagalog. Pati din kayo nahirapan kayo sa mag-surprise din kayo sa moment.
Nakakatawa pa yun, kasi 3 AM na yun. Basta madaling araw na siya. Yun na yung last scene. Tapos lahat kami galing sa tulog. Lahat kami kakagising lang namin nung para sa scene na yun. Sobrang nakakatawa.
Hi, I'm DJ Sumi of Infrady 105.1. It's just a great experience to interview J. Dean Fever, guys. Do catch them everywhere because they're really the most beautiful people I've seen so far. Yes, yes, yes!
gabi ka lang nagte-text, maki-message ko bilang effect. Nag-aantay kung ano nang next, upang aking utak ay masaya. O ano ba ang nadarama? Huwag nang paligoy-ligoy, ligoy, paligoy-ligoy pa. Pwede ba?
Maayong gabi mga Cebuanos.
We're here na at Ayala Center, Cebu para palipayon mo. Ready na ba mo? Tara!
Kulang Sadine here.
Ikot na Cebu! Sobrang idol namin ang Sadine!
Show him your love. Meet the brainchild of Para sa Hopeless Romantic, Yager himself, Marcelo Santos, the father! Yay! Sino na dito meron para sa Hopeless Romantic? Alright.
I love you, Sadine!
Para sa Hopeless Romantic, showing on May 13. Let us all give a warm, someone welcome to the white heel heavy, the pretty and talented, Nadine
Di ko na patatagalin pa. Ladies and gentlemen,
Init pa lang ng ng suporta eh. I mean, sila James Reid and Nadine, yung mga fans pa lang nila, and yung mga readers ko, and iba pang fans ng mga ng mga ibang love team na kasama doon sa movie. I mean, yung pa lang solid na, sobrang dami na. What more kung yung mga nakaka-relate doon sa movie. Talagang blockbuster to. Super.
Because it felt like a concert. Like the
There's a lot of people.
Yeah, there were lots of people, and yung location actually, yung kung nasan yung stage, kasi it's an outdoor event.
It has a concert feel.
Yes.
So we gave a little bit extra today because there's so many people, and how often are we in Cebu?
How is that, guys? Just listen for a while. So first will be Nadine to James. All right? Are you ready for this? Are you ready? All right. 3, 2, 1. Nice. 3, 2, 1.
Daghang salamat mga Cebuanos. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa pagbisita namin. We love you.
We're gonna miss you guys. Hope to be back soon.